Getting the "Your account has been logged" Microsoft error. Here are 4 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft states that it logs a user account when it notices some unusual activity that might violate its terms of use. These activities may include sending unsolicited, promotional or commercial content, sending unwanted or harmful code or software, tricking or spoofing emails, etc. However, Microsoft also states that not all accounts are logged for such reasons. Here we have shown how to fix this issue. Let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is unlock your Microsoft account with a security code. This applies if you see a Next button within the error prompt window. Click on the Next button and enter a phone number to receive an online security code. You can use any phone number that can receive text messages. The number need not be associated with your Microsoft account. Then click on the Send Code link. You will receive a security code. Enter the access code in the corresponding field. Make sure to enter the code in the message body and not in the header. Click on the Submit button to unlock your account. Method 2. The error may appear if your ex-employer had enabled Office 365 on your personal device. In such a case, after you leave the organization, your license is revoked. So you can't use your work account to access Microsoft 365 apps on your personal device. However, the error prompt appears if the information related to your work account is still available on your device. To completely remove this information, you must manually completely uninstall Office from your device. You can also use the Microsoft Office Uninstaller tool for this purpose. Once you have uninstalled Office, reinstall Microsoft 365 on your Windows device. This should resolve the issue and allow you to sign into your Microsoft 365 apps without any error prompts. Method 3. If you see this error while trying to sign in to Microsoft Azure or Microsoft 365, contact the global admin of your talent to check if you're allowed to sign in. If not, request him to reset your password or your sign-in status. If you are the admin, get in touch with the Azure Data Protection team. They will help you with unlocking your account. If this is your Azure AD account, you may use self-service password reset to unlock yourself with no administrator or help desk involvement. Method 4. If nothing works, contact Microsoft using global customer service phone numbers or using the account reinstatement form. Once Microsoft receives your information, a ticket will be assigned to you. Then a Microsoft customer service representative will get in touch with you via email to give you status updates, request more information, or guide you on how to unlock the account. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.